our main objective of introducing this was to get the monastic education recognized, and then also get the support for the monasteries all across the Indian Himalayan region from the government for providing education. And then, as His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama would always stress that the monasteries should become more of learning centers, including for the lay people. So that has been our effort. So under this curriculum, even the lay children in the villages can join the monastery to take the monastic education. So the benefit there will be the children will be learning the Bodhi and the Bodh Darshan also, along with the modern education, and having certification of class 5, 10, 8 RC passes. So this is the whole purpose of our introducing. There is nothing new that we are introducing in this. We are only standardizing the existing monastic education which the monks and nuns learn in the monasteries and that has been systematically put in the form of a curriculum, subject wise, and then streamlined. So that is what has been done, and there is nothing introduction of new things for the monasteries and for the monks and nuns.